Princess Kaguya. Once upon a time, an old man and an old woman lived in a certain place, and the old man used to cut bamboo and live by making baskets and baskets. One day, when I went to the bamboo forest as usual, there was a shining bamboo. Oh, I wonder what happened to that bamboo. It's shining. When I cut it, there was a baby girl in it, and the old man took the girl home. My grandfather and grandmother had no children, so I named them Princess Kaguya and raised them carefully. After that, every time I went to cut bamboo, my grandfather found money in the bamboo and became rich. The baby grew up quickly and became a very beautiful daughter. Many young people came from everywhere to apply for marriage after hearing the beauty, but Princess Kaguya did not show interest. I was always looking up at the sky in thought. The old man couldn't ignore the young man's marriage proposal, so he decided to give Princess Kaguya to the person who brought a mysterious treasure. Several young people brought the treasure, but Princess Kaguya immediately saw through it as a fake. Princess Kaguya looked sad every time she saw the moon. "Why do you look so sad?" when my grandfather asked Princess Kaguya. "Actually, I came from the moon. I'm going to pick you up from the moon soon, and I have to go back to the moon. I'm sad to say goodbye to my kind grandfather and grandmother." "That's stupid," the old man was confused. "Tomorrow is that day. My grandfather tried to protect Princess Kaguya by taking a lot of samurai. My grandfather didn't want to let go of Princess Kaguya." That night, when the moon appeared on the mountain, a golden light glowed. The samurai shot arrows at the light all at once, but when the light hit, the samurai lost their power and fell asleep. An angel appeared from the light and came down on top of the house. When I took Princess Kaguya's hand, she went up high in the sky. "Grandpa, Grandma, thank you for loving me for a long time. I have to go back to the moon from now on. Please stay healthy forever. Goodbye." Princess Kaguya said goodbye to her grandfather and grandmother and went up to heaven. The end.